Podcast script, Smart Gardening, 2025, Grow More, Waste Less. The world of gardening is transforming, and 2025 is the year of smart, sustainable, and space-efficient gardens. Whether you're cultivating a rooftop oasis in the city or a small backyard vegetable patch, new methods are making it easier to grow healthier plants with less effort. One of the top trends this year is zero-waste gardening, an approach that not only reduces your environmental impact, but also saves money and time. It begins with something surprisingly simple: composting your kitchen scraps. Banana peels, coffee grounds, and eggshells are no longer trash. They're gold for your soil. Composting in 2025 has gone high-tech, too. Smart compost bins can now monitor moisture, temperature, and the breakdown process, alerting you when your compost is garden-ready. This makes it effortless to create rich, nutritious compost that boosts your soil health without synthetic fertilizers. The zero-waste trend is paired with another popular method: vertical gardening. Together, they offer the ideal solution for growing more in less space while supporting a sustainable lifestyle. Vertical gardening is no longer just a creative trend. It's now a necessity for urban gardeners and a powerful tool for anyone short on space. In 2025, modular vertical systems are booming in popularity. These wall-mounted or freestanding units allow gardeners to stack layers of planters vertically, creating stunning green walls that produce everything from lettuce to cherry tomatoes. Made from recycled materials and equipped with self-watering technology, these systems reduce water waste by delivering moisture directly to the root zones. Many also come with detachable panels, making them easy to clean and rotate crops seasonally. This form of gardening also makes harvesting simple. You won't need to bend down or till the ground. And for families, it's a fantastic way to involve kids in gardening in a fun, accessible way. These systems are now even customizable, allowing gardeners to create stylish plant walls that double as outdoor decor or even privacy screens. With climate change continuing to affect growing seasons, another gardening movement has taken hold: microclimate gardening. Understanding your yard's microclimates, those small areas that have unique sun, shade, wind, and moisture conditions, can dramatically boost your yield. In 2025, affordable microclimate sensors are helping home gardeners fine-tune their planting strategies like never before. You can now map your garden and plant crops in areas best suited to their specific needs, ensuring optimal growth. Shade-loving herbs like mint and parsley thrive on the north side, while sun-hungry plants like peppers and zucchini flourish on the south. Combining microclimate awareness with companion planting, a method of grouping plants that benefit each other, helps you maximize your space while naturally deterring pests. For instance, basil planted next to tomatoes not only enhances flavor, but also repels harmful insects. These practices lead to a more resilient and productive garden with fewer chemicals and less guesswork. The final 2025 trend reshaping home gardens is seed sovereignty, saving and sharing seeds for resilience and independence. As seed prices climb and certain varieties become harder to find, more gardeners are learning the old art of seed saving. Tomatoes, beans, and lettuces are among the easiest to start with. By harvesting seeds from your healthiest, most productive plants, you create a seed bank uniquely adapted to your local conditions. This year, online seed swap communities are booming, allowing gardeners worldwide to trade rare and heirloom varieties. Even beginner-friendly kits are available, making it easier than ever to store and label your seeds properly. Combined with smart labeling apps, gardeners can now track lineage, performance, and ideal planting windows with precision. Seed sovereignty is not just a way to save money. It's an act of resilience in a world of uncertain supply chains. For podcasters, This topic is rich with stories and tips that listeners can use to take back control of their food supply and reconnect with the cycles of nature.